Are you feeling nervous about anything, honey?
Yeah, I have a test tomorrow.
Did you make a new friend today, my little star?
Yes. I made a new friend.
What's something that made you proud today, sweetie?
I did really well on my project.
Are you feeling lonely, love?
Yeah, I feel a little lonely.
Why do you look so curious, my baby?
I'm curious about how rain works.
Can we talk about what's on your mind, my dear?
I'm worried about school.
Are you happy with how today went, Angel?
Yes. I'm really happy.
What's something that made you smile today, sweetheart?
I got a sticker for being good.
Why are you feeling so quiet, honey?
I don't know, I just feel quiet.
Can I help you feel better, my love?
Yeah, my head hurts.
Are you looking forward to anything, darling?
Yes. I can't wait for tomorrow.
What was the hardest part of your day, sweetie?
Math was really hard today.
Did something surprise you today, my dear?
My teacher surprised us with a party.
Are you feeling frustrated, my heart?
Yeah, I'm frustrated with my homework.
Can I sit with you while you think, my darling?
Yes, I'd like that.
Are you excited to learn something new tomorrow, Angel?
Yes, I want to learn something new.
What's something that made you giggle today, love?
My friend made a funny face.
Why are you feeling so serious, honey?
I don't know, I'm just serious today.
Can we talk about your fears, sweetheart?
I'm scared about tomorrow.
Are you happy with what you accomplished today, love?
Yes. I'm proud of my work.
What's something you want to do tomorrow, dear?
I want to visit the park.
Are you feeling a bit nervous about something, my heart?
I'm nervous about my test.
Why do you look so pensive, sweetie?
I'm just thinking about tomorrow.
Can I help you with your thoughts, darling?
Yes, I'd like that.
Are you ready for a new challenge, love?
Yes. I'm ready.
What's something you're really proud of, sweetheart?
I'm proud of my parents.
Are you feeling confident, my love?
Yes. I feel confident today.
Why do you look so anxious, dear?
I'm worried about my test.
Can we talk through your worries, my sweetie?
Can we talk about it?
Are you feeling calm now, love?
Yes, I feel better now.
What makes you feel at peace, my dear?
When I'm with you, Mommy.
Why do you look like you're daydreaming, Angel?
I'm imagining flying.
Can you share your dreams with me, love?
I want to be an astronaut.
Are you feeling excited about the future, my heart?
Yes. I'm excited.
What did you create today, my little artist?
I made a new drawing.
Why do you seem so unsure, my darling?
I'm just not sure about my homework.
Can I give you some advice, my sweet one?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to face tomorrow, love?
Yes, I'm ready for tomorrow.
What makes you feel like you're on top of the world, sweetheart?
When I solve a hard problem.
Why are you feeling shy today, honey?
I'm just feeling shy today.
Can we work through this together, love?
Yes, let's work together.
Are you feeling a bit down, my heart?
Yeah, I'm feeling a little sad.
What did you discover today, my little explorer?
I found a cool bug outside.
Why do you seem so unsure, dear?
I'm just not sure about my project.
Can you share your feelings with me, sweetheart?
I'm a little sad about what happened.
Are you feeling proud of yourself, love?
Yes. I'm proud of my work.
What's the best thing you learned today, my love?
I learned a new word today.
Why are you looking so thoughtful, darling?
I learned a new word today.
Can I listen to what's on your mind, my sweetie?
Yes, I'd like that.
Are you feeling peaceful right now, love?
Yes, I feel calm now.
What's something you're curious about, sweetheart?
I'm curious about how stars work.
Why do you look so happy, my dear?
I'm happy because we're together.
Can we celebrate your achievements together, my love?
Yes. I want to celebrate.
Are you feeling inspired today, my little dreamer?
I feel so creative today.
What made you think so deeply, honey?
I'm thinking about my friend.
Why are you feeling so cheerful, sweetheart?
I'm happy because I had a great day.
Can we talk about what made you happy today, my dear?
Can we talk about recess?
Are you feeling strong and confident, love?
Yes. I feel super strong today.
Why are you feeling so joyful, darling?
I'm happy because I played with my friends.
Why are you feeling so joyful, darling?
I'm happy because I played with my friends.
Can you tell me about your dreams, my dear?
I dream about flying.
Are you feeling curious about something, sweetie?
I'm curious about animals.
What's that big idea you have, my little genius?
I want to build something cool.
Why are you feeling so proud, love?
I'm proud because I did my best.
Can we dream together, sweetheart?
Yes. Let's dream together.
Are you ready for tomorrow's fun, my dear?
I can't wait for the weekend.
What makes you feel brave, love?
When I help people.
Why are you looking so happy, honey?
I'm happy because you're here.
Can we talk about what excites you, sweetie?
I want to talk about my dream.
Are you feeling creative today, love?
Yes. I'm feeling so creative.
What did you imagine today, my little dreamer?
I imagined going on an adventure.
Why are you feeling so relaxed, my dear?
I'm just feeling calm today.
Can I help you with your next adventure, love?
Yes. Can we go on an adventure?
Are you feeling peaceful, my angel?
I feel so peaceful right now.
What's something you can't wait to do, sweetheart?
I can't wait to go to the park.
Why do you look so joyful, my love?
I'm happy because you love me.
Can we make new plans together, dear?
Yes. Let's make plans.
Are you feeling ready for the day, love?
Yes, I'm ready for anything.
What's something you've been thinking about, my sweetie?
I'm thinking about the stars.
Why are you smiling so much today, my darling?
I'm smiling because I had fun.
Can we talk about your favorite moment of the day, dear?
Can we talk about recess?
Are you feeling excited about the weekend, love?
I'm so excited for the weekend.
What's something you're proud of, sweetheart?
I'm proud because I did something good.
Why are you glowing with happiness, my love?
I'm happy because today was amazing.
Can I hear about your dreams for the future, sweetie?
I dream of being a superhero.
Are you feeling inspired, my little artist?
I'm so inspired right now.
What's something you want to explore tomorrow, dear?
I want to explore the backyard.
Why are you feeling so adventurous, love?
I'm feeling so adventurous today.
Can we plan something fun together, sweetheart?
Yes. Let's plan something fun.
Are you ready for new experiences, my love?
Yes. I'm ready for anything.
What's something that makes you feel unstoppable, dear?
I feel unstoppable today.
Why do you look so content, honey?
I'm happy because you're here.
Can we spend some time together, my sweet one?
Yes, I'd love that.
Are you feeling loved today, my heart?
Yes, Mommy, I feel so loved.